In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing Google Meet recording with some expert tips. If you've hosted or joined a Google Meet session and realized that the recording is not where you expected it to be, don't worry, we'll guide you through the process of locating it. Let's start by heading over to Google Meet. You can open your preferred web browser and type in Google Meet, or simply navigate directly to the URL. Once you're there, this will serve as the central hub for all your recent meetings and activities tied to your Google account. Now, while you're in Google Meet, you want to turn your attention to the top right of your screen where you'll find the waffle icon. You may be wondering what this icon looks like. It's essentially a grid of 9 small squares, and clicking on it will display a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of Google services at your disposal. From the drop-down menu, you're going to click on Google Drive. This step is crucial, as Google Drive is where your Google Meet recordings are stored by default. Once you've clicked on Drive, a new tab or window should open, taking you to your Google Drive, which is essentially a virtual cloud storage space for all types of files associated with your Google account. In Google Drive, there are a couple of places you should check for the missing recording. The first place to look is the My Drive section. This area contains all your uploaded files and documents, neatly organized based on how and when they were added. Often, recordings can be found here, especially if they were saved recently. If you don't spot the recording right away, don't panic. The next logical step is to check the Recent section. Simply navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Recent. This section lists all your most recently accessed and modified files, making it a great place to look for recent recordings that might otherwise be buried. In some instances, recordings may be automatically stored in a folder labeled Meet Recordings. It's a good idea to check your folders for anything with this name or a variation of it in case your recordings have been sorted automatically. These steps should cover most scenarios when a recording might go missing, but keep in mind occasionally there might be a slight delay in the recording being saved and available in your drive. Rest assured, these delays are usually minimal. By following these steps diligently, you should be able to locate your missing Google Meet recordings with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you encounter any more issues or have other tech-related queries, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out for further assistance.